It's your girl Ciara here, back with another video. Today we're doing grilled chicken Alfredo with a little bit of a twist. So you see I've got this $1 value crushed red pepper here. This is going to be the star of the show. I am going to generously add this to about 4 beautiful, I'll say 4.5 because that last one was a straggler. It's kind of thin. 4 beautiful chicken breasts here. And I'm going to make sure all those peppery flavors are popping. Now it's time to break out everybody's favorite. I got a little bit of sea salt going on here. I'm seasoning it just to taste. I probably put a couple sprinkles on there. And then we got some cracked black pepper just to tie in all the sexy goodness. I mean, you just can't go wrong with salt and pepper, but you want to elevate it. So we got some garlic powder here. Now, I normally would probably rub this with some garlic paste, but I had some garlic powder on hand. And also, I'm going to put some Italian seasoning because it's chicken Alfredo. You know, who doesn't want a little bit of that Italian blend of seasoning, making it sexy? So then I'm going to turn it over and make sure I get the other side nice and seasoned before I lay it in our pan. I got my pan to medium high. I don't want it to burn. I haven't put any oil yet, but I just want to make sure that the pan is nice and hot. So when I put my chicken in, it's going to have some beautiful color going on. Now, I arrange them so the grill marks can still be cute, still be sexy, but I haven't put it in there so that they're all uniform. So just be mindful of how I'm laying it in the pan. No, they're not all going to be uniform how I'm laying it in the pan right here, but they're still going to have some beautiful, sexy color so your food can look extra bougie when you're presenting it to friends and family or even for yourself. Now on this side, I have a little bit of ground paprika, and I'm only putting it on one side, and that's just for an extra hint of flavor and another hint of color. So once I turn these over and they cook on this side with that paprika, oh, it's gonna be sexy, okay? So after this, I added about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I've been letting these babies cook to perfection. And if you're unsure about cooking chicken, just make sure you keep your thermometer handy. There's nothing wrong with that. You want to make sure that you don't die, you don't kill anybody else, you don't make anybody sick. So we're all about the love with the thermometers, okay? You can get one at Dollar Tree. So now I've got my water nice and boiling. I got these spinach fettuccine noodles from my local grocer. They're absolutely yummy. And I just pop a couple in there, proportion to the meal that I'm serving. So I've got about 4 chicken breasts. So I've got enough for about 4 people. And we're just going to make sure we cook this while it's a rolling boil and break it up every so often. Just making sure that we're not letting it stick together. I put a little pinch of salt in the water. I did not add any oil to that water, guys. So now once the chicken is done, I'm taking it off the heat. Even though I've cut my stove off, I want to make sure that I take off the chicken so it stops cooking. And like I said before, double check with the thermometer. If you're not sure, guys, you always want to err on the side of safety, okay? Then I'm going to check on these noodles because they look like they are done. 7 minutes was absolutely perfect, okay, guys? So I did put together an Alfredo sauce, but I lost some of the footage. Don't kill me, guys. So here, even if you want to make your own, I'll link a recipe down below for my blog that's coming out in 2 days. So in the next 2 days after this is posted, come back and check for that recipe. You can use canned and jazz it up. Either way you do it, it's going to be awesome. So with the chicken, I ended up putting a little parsley and some lemon zest on top. And this chicken was absolutely delicious. So thanks, guys, once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. All up in my face with the Uchi Wally Wally. Sounding like girls at a party on the Molly. I ain't trying to link or bill. Bubble space, little nigga chill. Oh, you got a chain? Sick. Oh, you got some fame? Sick. Got a new Rolex, so you know we had to flex, cause the hoes gon' check. 500K in my stash. Why you flex on?